In this episode, we're going to be getting the pedal assembly out of the Liberty for the 6-speed swap into the built Forester. So in previous episodes, we've pulled the 6-speed manual out, got the front brake calipers off. We have got the rear diff and the tail shaft out with the cross member for the gearbox as well. Now, we'll go get the pedal assembly out. Let's jump in the car. That's why previously we got the front seats out to make it a lot easier. Alright, let's get these pedals out. So we need to get this trim off. We'll see what we need to do. So we got a few trim pieces, plugs that we need to get out. Looks like it's just these front ones, and then it will drop down and slide out. Oh. Might be some spiders back here. Alright, so we need to get this off by the looks of it, maybe. Nope. Well, there's the OBD port. Right, we've got two Phillips head screws there. We'll get them off. Okay, so obviously we're going from 2 pedals to 3 pedals, so we need at least the brake and the clutch, because the brake is larger on autos. So obviously the brake pedal won't fit with the clutch. Now this is a drive-by-wire car, and the Forester is a cable. In the future, I would like to update the Heltec that's in the Forester, so we're going to take this drive-by-wire pedal out because we can use it later. Obviously it's a matching set as well. We'll take out the little footrest there as well. I don't know if it will go into the Forester, but we'll take the whole set. So obviously the accelerator is going to be the easy part. Just unplug. Unplug, and we've got 2 nuts that are onto some studs that are on the firewall. Give us a little bit better access to the other pedals too. Alright, so I've taken it off the studs with the 12mm nuts, so I can get the connector closer to me. You can actually see the connector now. So we'll just pop that off. Alright, we just got the brake pedal switch out, which is up on the bracket there. So now we can get to those 2 12s, I think it is. Just working on the brake assembly at the moment. Then we'll move across to the clutch. See how it touched the clutch and went to the ground, to the floor. So yeah, let's get this brake pedal out. Alright, so we need to get that switch out to get those bolts out, and I got the pin out that keeps the pedal onto the master cylinder little piston there. So brake pedal's all floppy now. This is the pin. I had to just pinch that white piece together to slide it out, but there was also a pin in that little hole, which this little guy that just flicked out with a little straight blade. Pretty easy. Get them together. Yeah, we'll take those 4 nuts off there, and we should be able to get that whole brake assembly out. Brake pedal assembly, should I say. Alright, we got those 4 nuts off. As you can see, the brake pedal assembly is out. Just need to twist it a little bit to get it out from right up in the top there. So there's 2 of the 3 pedals out. Let's put the switch over there with it. So got a bit more room to play with. I can't even see anything up there. Can you guys? You've got a better view. I think I might need to take this little module out. I've disturbed the spiders. Alright, so I stuck my head under there. It seemed like it would be a good idea to take this trim off. There's only one screw down there in the corner. The rest is clips, and then just disconnect all the connectors. Alright, so that hole up there was a 12mm bolt. And we just popped out that blue connector and shut the 2 bolts on the firewall from the other side. Alright, so we just got the clutch master cylinder that we need to take off. So we've actually got nuts on this side, so there must be studs. So we'll release everything here, the clips and a bolt, so we can remove the master and slave cylinder. Alright, so the nuts are off on this side. So we'll pull it all the way through. Don't forget, take that pin out. This is what we're after. This is what makes the third pedal. Alright guys, there we have it. We have all of the pedals out of the Liberty, ready to go into the Forester. What we'll have to do when we get it into the Forester is work out the wiring for these switches, and I'll sort out plugs and stuff by the drive-by-wire when we do go down that route of an upgraded Elite. I'll take Elite. So there we have it guys. We have pulled the pedals out, ready for the Forester. What we need to do is get the Liberty out, and we're going to clean up the gearbox and the diff and all that, maybe even give it a paint, clean it up. So tomorrow we'll push this out. So we're going to move the Forester, push this out, put this where the Forester is, and then we'll clean up in here, clean up the parts, give them a good paint. So that'll be next episode. Thanks for watching this time, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.